So it's not difficult to start an e-commerce business, but in a competitive market like North America, it's definitely difficult scaling an e-commerce business. From the e-commerce businesses that you work with that scale fast, can you tell us 3 things that they have in common?
The first, you gotta have the product. So you need to know exactly what you're selling. You need to have that inventory. You need it readily available so you can just ship that right out and the user can just get that 2 seconds, boom. The second thing would probably be the integrations and the systems. So basically, you want all this stuff flowing together so that it's easily manageable, and then you kind of know from point of sale all the way till delivery what's happened through that journey. And the third one, it's a big one. It's the people around you, the team. So you can't be doing this yourself. You can't just be the CEO with every single one of the hats. You need good people around you to support you, and that comes from the fulfillment, the people doing the marketing, people doing the development, people doing the delivery, everything all across the board. And your business is only going to be as good as the people that surround you as well.
So it's not difficult to start an e-commerce business, but in a competitive market like North America, it's definitely difficult scaling an e-commerce business. And if you want to start it and then scale it, you have to pay attention to an execution plan or an actual growth plan for your e-commerce business.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.